Hey Stone Fabricators, it's Don Duran with NSI Solutions. Today we want to go over some quick changes to seam phantom replacement parts to help keep your seam phantom working like new. The second part I wanted to tell you about is the wheel axle. Forever we've been running a wheel axle like this, a pin with a nut. This is part number GWAF on our website. These are no longer available. You'll purchase a brass pin with the screw and washer and then the little bearing spacer. And they work exactly the same way as the old ones. A little more straightforward when you're tightening them. You just put the pin in, make sure you put the bearing spacer on, and then you slide that through your seam phantom and the screw and washer from the top. There's a slot on the bottom to hold with the regular straight screwdriver while you're tightening it up if you need to. These parts are available on our website at NSISolutions.com. In our web store, you can filter to replacement parts to make them easier to find. If you're having a problem, you can always send it to us to be repaired. Contact us at info@NSISolutions.com if you're interested in having us refurbish your seam phantom.